Hey, welcome back to another episode of Weird Laws from A to W. I bet you've heard of speeding tickets, wearing your seatbelt, maybe even putting your phone down while driving. But, did you know that in Alabama, your pants could have gotten you pulled over? Not kidding. Today's story is about saggy pants decency codes and how they almost crashed into traffic law. So, was it ever actually illegal? Well, there's never been a statewide law in Alabama banning saggy pants behind the wheel, but some city governments definitely tried. A handful of places proposed fines for folks wearing pants below the waistline. They said it was about public decency, some even claimed it distracted drivers. I mean, imagine getting a ticket for your fashion sense. Let's zoom in on Dadeville. In 2015, the city council there made headlines when a member pitched a rule specifically targeting sagging pants. The goal? To promote respect and stop what officials called a slide in public standards. If they'd passed it, you could get fined just for what you had on, yes, even if you were minding your own business in your car. But not everyone was buying it. Civil rights groups and regular people called it out, saying the idea was basically discrimination in disguise. They argued it unfairly singled out young black men, and honestly, who gets to decide what's decent anyway? For some, saggy pants are just a fashion choice, not a crime. The pushback got so heated, most of these bans never made it past the proposal stage. And here's the weirdest part. Alabama's old traffic codes did have a line about clothing being fastened at the waist. Hardly anyone enforced it, but it technically left the door open for a saggy pants ticket. Fashion changes. The law? Sometimes it just can't keep up, or it goes way too far. Whether you think saggy pants should be banned or not, you've got to admit, waistbands in Alabama have been at the center of some pretty strange legal debates. If you learned something new, tap that like button. Drop a comment with the weirdest law you've ever heard. And don't forget to subscribe for more weird laws from A to W. Next stop, what does E stand for? You'll see soon.